Welcome back to Becky Cooks. In today's video, we are going to be making this yummy, sumptuous, and tasty oat cupcakes. It's very healthy. It's a very healthier option to the regular flour cake. If you are looking to maintain a healthy weight and you still want to snack on something healthy, this is your go-to option. And it's so easy to make, and here are the ingredients. We have 2 cups of rolled oats, coconut oil, carrots, dates to sweeten it up, cinnamon powder, and pinch of salt. The flavor of cinnamon powder is very nice. So I first of all blended the coconut and strained the juice, and then I blended the dates inside the coconut juice. And this is the remaining coconut juice I extracted. So then I'm going to add in the 2 eggs, one at a time. Then you whisk this thoroughly. And then I'm adding a little bit of coconut oil. Give that a good mix. This doesn't take a long time to prepare at all. The preparation time with the mixing and everything with the baking is just about 30 minutes. This is 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then my cinnamon and pinch of salt. Then I'm adding in the oat flour gradually. So it's better you blend it, let it be very smooth. And at this stage we are ready to bake. So you just put your cupcake papers into your baking tray and add in 1 scoop of your mixture, of your batter. I bake this for about 30 minutes in the oven on medium heat. So if you have toppings, you can add whatever toppings you like cashew nuts, like coconut flakes. I forgot, I was actually supposed to grate a bit of my coconut and use it for the topping. So in any way, it came out very delicious and yummy. Will you be giving this a try? Let me know in the comment section. This is so easy to make. It doesn't take time at all, and there are simple ingredients you can find around. So just opt for dates if you're looking for a healthier sweetener in place of sugar. And dates is commonly found in the market. Even the oats, I buy from those that sell in bags. I buy from them. So the ingredients are easy to find. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.